Matt Armstrong, the guy who buys crash-damaged supercars and brings them back to life. We all know him, Mr. 40 million views a month. I was browsing Matt Armstrong's channel looking for a new video to watch when I realized something. He has a lot of videos. That got me wondering, how many cars has Matt Armstrong actually rebuilt on his channel? And what would all of those cars be worth today? So it was time to get to work. Step 1. Make a list of every car Matt Armstrong has bought and rebuilt. After a lot of research, the list was finally complete. I found 33 cars. Now it was time to let AI do some calculations. First, I asked it to calculate two things. 1. The value of every car when bought brand new. 2. The value of those same cars on today's used car market. It's time for AI to calculate the value of these cars. But first, we need a prompt. Here is a list of every single car Matt Armstrong has built over the years. What I want you to do is calculate two things for me. First, calculate the value of each car when it was brand new from the dealership. Second, calculate the current value of each car on today's second-hand market. And the results were shocking. The total value of all the cars when new came to an estimated $7.9 million. That's absolutely insane. But the more interesting question was, what are all those cars worth today? The answer, an estimated $7.8 million. Not bad for a guy who, only a few years ago, was working in a restaurant and competing in BMX tournaments. But then I realized something. That calculation wasn't really fair. These cars were crash damaged when Matt bought them. And that should have a major impact on their value, something the AI hadn't properly considered. So I created a new prompt. I asked it to run the calculation again, but this time, use the lower end of the current market value for each car, taking into account that they had been crash damaged. And the updated estimated total came out to $5.8 million. Just to put that into perspective, if Matt Armstrong had kept every single car he has rebuilt on the channel, he would be sitting on a car collection worth an estimated $5.8 million. Of course, as we all know, most of those cars have been sold, given away, or moved on long ago. But that raises another question. Which cars did Matt Armstrong actually decide to keep? Make sure you subscribe because in the next video, we're going to find out.